Hello guys, and welcome back to another session of learning Unity with me. So where we last left off, we were solving this weird issue where even though the timer is completed and there's no more enemies on the field, there's enemies on the field, it still plays the level complete. I have some solutions as to how I'm gonna do it, and if they don't work, then I'm just gonna move on. But yeah, I'll show you real quick. So the background music is playing, which is nice, but yeah, see, like these are still loading, and yeah, it's not really a good sign. What happened there? So anyways, before I do that one, let's go to enemy spawner. Alright, so my first solution would be to somehow call is looping here. So what that means is, because there's some delay and I don't want that, I'm trying to reduce that delay by making it happen instantly. So how would we go out and do that? What would be the condition? If stop spawning gets called. I might have a method that alright, first of all, actually I'm getting kind of confused. Let me try to do it the way he did it. I don't think there should be a difference, but just to be safe. I guess another way would be to understand what exactly is happening here. Like I enumerator start. What does that mean? What is it returning to? I don't quite understand it, so maybe I'll take the time to understand what's behind that. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright. So I'm just gonna delete this. So my other solution was to in my level controller, we're going to be checking if the is looping is false for all of them before we can do this. So how would we do that? Do we need like a while loop or a for loop? How about a while loop? While true. For now, I'm gonna think about the condition later. So while true, what do we want to happen? Check each spawners is looping, and break when all of them is true, I guess. So then how would we do that? Because yeah, we can just do something like this. And we can have like a boolean, I guess, a boolean array. And then if we're gonna create a get method, public void or no bool get is looping. So return is looping. So if spawner dot get is looping, so I'm still thinking, because if like one of them is false, like what are we looking for here? If one of them is false, then what do we do? Then we continue, right? If we only break if all of them is true. So if it's true, we don't want to do anything, and then oh wait, I think I have an idea. So we do break if it's false, because we break from the loop. But if we break from the loop and we try again, dang it, sorry. Alright, so yeah, I really need to draw this. Alright, let's just go get our paint. So if we have like an array, right, of, there's technically 5 spawners right now. 2, 3, 4, 5. You just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. All right. So let's say we start the stop spawning process, and then this is F, or this is true, and this is true, but this is F, this is F, and this is true. So when we loop, alright, we're gonna do a for each. So we check this is true, we don't do anything. If it's true, we don't do anything. When it's false, we have to do something. That means it's still in the process of changing, but we just need to again try again. So then we break, and then we try again here. And if we were repeating it, so then this becomes true. And then now when we get to here, then we go to here. And who knows, maybe it could be true, or even if it's false, then it breaks and tries again. And then, oh, I think I got it. I got it. So then, for each, in the enemy spawners, if so then we loop, and if it's false, we break. But I feel like that's the same thing. Dang it. This is also a very messy solution, so I wouldn't even really use this, but you know, I'm just trying to, you know, see if I can find a solution for it. So if the spawner is false, so then it goes to false, and then we want to keep restarting until all of them is true. Oh, we don't need that, since we only check if it only breaks, right? So then we can have something else here, like so when this falls, we break from the for each and start over again. And then if all of them are true now, so then we don't break. Oh, then yeah, we continue. Oh no, but then if this breaks, it goes back here, as opposed to starting from the top again. Oh man. So we need to break when this is all true. So yeah, we do need to have another for loop. if yeah, I think I'll just save myself some time. Check. I feel like this is like a coding question, so how to check if the bool array contains all true. And I was here overthinking. Oh my god. Alright. So let me take that. Just put it here for now. Wait, it's Java, isn't it? Yeah, it is Java. Let's change it to private. And then do this for each boolean b in array, bool b. And then if true enemy spawning looping status break. Well, I wonder how this works. So for each one, if it's false, then return false. But then yeah, I guess that's what I was trying to go for here, but then I got lost and kind of confused along the way. Let me just see if it works. Spelled length wrong. Alright, let's see if it works. Alright, so it just froze, I think. Hold on, I'll just restart it. So that didn't work. Dang it. What? Why didn't it work? I think it got stuck. If I can't solve it after 30 minutes, I'm just gonna move on. So I have like around 10 more minutes. Alright. So let me go for a different path. I don't even like that solution either. So yeah. What was that? What does that mean? Did that mean my file's corrupted? Oh man, I hope not. That would suck. Cause I'm almost done. Damn it. Alright. Oh, I guess hold on. Alright, so let's try again. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Come on, come on. Yes, alright. That was kind of scary. I'm not gonna try that. Actually, no, I deleted it. So there's really no point. I might just debug for a bit, I guess. If anything, what I might do is do this. I might use this, but then put R all true, oops, and R all true, and we pass in enemy spawners looping status. But because the logic is that actually maybe we can change this to something a little bit better. Oh, I think I see now. I see why there's a delay. Never mind, I don't need to do that. Wow, I guess I just need to look at my own code. I forgot we had that. We had this variable right here. So I probably need to decrease those values because 5 seconds. So basically, we could wait 5 seconds and start the attack. So I don't think there should be a delay. So here, this is what I'm gonna do. Maybe that's why his worked. Is because if you went to spawners, then go to each one. Let me just change it here. Say 1. Alright, now let's check. Let's check it out. And let's try it again just to make sure. Yeah, there's this weird bug right here. So yeah, I guess that was the issue. Actually, to solve the other issue that I just mentioned, I think what I might do is just make the size a little bit bigger. So for like the Heartless, now we have a hitbox, we're just gonna make it that big, I guess. And let me just see how that looks. So first the top. Oh, but then the hitbox will see that, right? You're right. Dang it. That's also something. Alright, so never mind. Nah, never mind. Man, I don't know how to solve that issue then. So now we realize that this was causing the weird issue where it was still spawning even though like the game was technically over. Then, because I do want it to be a little bit delayed, like 5. But then maybe we should change our condition. Maybe we should do like this, maybe. We spawn the attacker and then wait. I wonder if that solves it. Because in that sense, it's already spawned. Oh god. What do you know? Hey, let me try that one more time and then see if it works again. But I do notice a little bit more consistency, which is pretty bad. You know what, whatever, I'll take it. This is a lot better. Because then you're not waiting and then attacking. But in the beginning, that's when it's kind of a little iffy, as you can see with the hardless. Like it's pretty much the same. See, these 4 and this one too. So the first round will be kind of consistent, but then after that should be fine. Well, whatever. I'm just gonna go with it. So yeah. Alright, so what's next? A nice lose experience. Alright. Oh, we gotta refresh. So I guess for now we're making a game over scene, maybe.
Hello again, in this video we're going to create ourselves a nice lose condition, so let's jump in and get started. Okay, you've seen a little bit of my solution, but I want to give you an opportunity to flex your design muscles if you're a little bit interested in that. So here's the challenge for this video. If you would like to think of your own design for a nicer lose moment and implement that approach yourself, then that's all you need for this challenge. Have a think about it, have a think about what's happening at the moment, what would you like to see happen if you're playing the game, and then figure out how to structure the code, how to architect that yourself. So if you're feeling a bit more advanced, then just jump in and take that on
Alright, so we're given a challenge. So the first part, we could create our own loser experience, like kind of like the level complete and stuff. But for the second one, we could just follow what he does. I kind of want to do it on my own just to see how it works. But there's some things I gotta keep in mind. Like, well, for him, he has like a you lose canvas, kind of like the you win canvas, and then there's two buttons. There's gonna be a restart and going back to the main menu, so I gotta keep that in mind too. And then we toggle it off at start of level. Oh yeah, so basically we only see it when the player loses. Slow game time to 0 and prevent mouse clicks. Not entirely sure what that means. Set game time to normal after action is taken. Let me go watch that again actually. Alright, I think I understand what it means. So, for example, let me see if I can show it. So basically, we need to find a way to prevent the user from doing anything when that level completed or level lost has been shown. And to do that, we need to, I think, overlay the game area so that the user can't touch it. So we probably have to create another object that's gonna be set to inactive, and then once the game finishes, in terms of the losing or winning, then that's when it pops up. So first, let me just set this active because it's kind of distracting. So we have a game area. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to create two game areas. Just move it forward. So it blocks it, so now we can't touch it. We're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna say, we call this blocked game area. I guess I'm kind of getting too ahead of myself. And yeah, let's unpack it because it's different. Oh wait, did I accidentally? No, I didn't apply it yet. Alright, so we're safe. So the first one is to create the canvas, so let's go ahead and do that. So since we have a level complete canvas, we're gonna have another canvas, or call it level lost canvas, and then we're also going to just put it here, and then we're going to create an image, a text, and two buttons. So we're going to get that text in. We'll say level loss text. And then we're gonna say you lose. And then we're gonna copy the component values and then put them here. So we're gonna make a world space and then paste components. What was in the text? What? Did I forget to reset the transform? Oh wait. What am I doing? Oh yeah, we need to do an order layer. There you go. Increase the size to 120. Change the font to, let's see what fonts we have. Pointy solid. Yeah, why not? We're gonna have red, light red, like that. And we're gonna put it in the center. Then we're gonna have a image, right? Not a raw image. I guess it doesn't matter, but just to be safe, call this background, and then we're gonna put that in the back. Let's just do the scaling property. And then make this dark, lose some gradiency, and not gradiency, alpha. So you close it. Let's actually lower down the alpha too. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. We do need the audio source, I think. Probably a level controller. I probably have to switch it off, depending. So my guess is that I need to switch the clip based on whether they win or lose. I kind of had experience on that with my laser defender. So I'll probably have to look back into how I did that, because I remember having such a huge issue with it. So, alright. What else? We need 2 buttons. Alright, so we have to actually move this a little bit up. And maybe decrease it by 80. And then do a rectangle tool. And then let me just recenter it. Oops. Center. And then we're gonna have 2 buttons. UI button. We're gonna call this try again button. Try again. Yeah, I'm just gonna close that because it keeps bugging me. Alright. So then we're gonna create another button, but this time main menu button, and then main menu text. Let me see how that looks. Alright, so let's see what else we have to do. Slow game time to 0 and prevent mouse clicks. Let me just hear what he said again. Alright, so before I add functionality to these buttons, let's go ahead and figure out how to stop time. This can be used for slow motion effects or to speed up your application. When timescale is 1.0, time passes as fast as real time. When timescale is 0.5, time passes 2 times slower than real time. When timescale is set to 0, your application acts as if paused if all your functions are frame rate independent. Negative values are ignored. Note that changing the timescale only takes effects on the following frames. How often model behavior fixed update is executed per frame depends on the timescale. Therefore, to keep the number of fixed update callbacks per frame constant, you must also multiply by fixed delta time by timescale. Whether this adjustment is desirable is game specific. Fixed update functions are suspended. Coroutines would wait for seconds, are not called when timescale is set to 0. So you can just do it in the update. Alright, so we need to slow down the time. Alright, so first I guess we need to be able to access it, so we have to go to our level controller. Right. Yep, level controller. So I'm probably gonna do the same thing. Serialized field, game object, lose label. Technically we can just place it here maybe, but for organization I guess that's what I used it for. So then we're gonna say lose label set active to false, and then I guess we need to figure out how to check if the player lost, and we have to look at the scripts to figure out which one was that again. Is it out display? And that's for the objects, not for... I think it's out display, shouldn't it be? Yeah, it's right here. Alright. Oh yeah, we have get health points right here. So then what we can do, or at least what I'm thinking, like first of all, do I need any reference health display? Is it just that one instance? I think it's just one instance, so I guess we don't really need to focus on it. Alright. So I guess in our update, if find, oh yeah, never mind, actually we don't want to keep referencing it, so we're gonna do game object, no, yeah, we're gonna do health display, and then we're gonna get a health display, equals find object of type health display, and then if health display is less than or equal to 0, then it's over 9,000. I'm just kidding. It's over, it's done. So yeah, what am I supposed to do? Oh yeah, we had to set the lose label, set active equals true. And then I guess, oh, but then we don't want to keep calling this, right? So instead of doing that, let's just have a method, a public method, public void player or lose label active. So what we're gonna do is gonna set lose label dot set active to true. So we're not gonna need this actually, because I don't want to be constantly calling that method. So instead, once this is over, wait. Alright, never mind. So we're going to find object of type level controller, and then we're gonna set, or no, I forgot. Lose label. Right. Now let's see. No compiler issues, cool. Wait, I thought I set it to disactive. Oh right, never mind. I'm supposed to go here. And then, wait, let me create a prefab of it. Alright, so then we're gonna go back here and then drop that over there. And now let's see. Let's not do this first. And another thing, I'm gonna set this as inactive because I'm not gonna use it quite yet. So yeah, So we're gonna also do this. We're gonna say blocked game area, and I know this is bad design. Actually, no, maybe it's not. So then in our script, wait, what? Alright, yeah. I think it's giving me that error because there's nothing there. So we're just gonna have public methods. Public void set blocked game area active pull var game object dot active, I think, unity game object. So we gotta see oh we have set active, never mind. We can just do it like that. So then we gotta go here. We gotta do the same thing. So the reason why we have it like this, so that way, let's go to our life cycle. Because we can loop back to the start. Oh no, we can't. Also, we need to do fix update. Because then, so there's only, oh, there's 2 instances where we can do that. So we can do it when yield, wait for fix update, or on application pause, which we're not going to do that. Maybe we should call this. But when does it get called? Send to off, set to true or false, normally false. Is the value returned? When the game window is selected and active on application pause, the game returns false, which means that the game is not active. Yeah, never mind, we can't do that. Dang it. So then, how do we I guess we have to delete everything and then, or restart the scene somehow. Maybe. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, because if we start the whole scene, then it'll go from start again, and then all of these can reset. Because right now, if that's not the case, then we have an issue, because then it won't loop. So let's see what else do we need to do. So we need to slow down the game time to 0. So that's when we lose, right? So I'm thinking we could do it here. So then, let me see, where was it again? We had time scale. So time.timescale. Do I need to import any classes? Nope. Alright. So then timescale goes 0f. And then level controller. Timescale equals 1f. So yeah, the reason why I did this, because I was like looking like, wait, why do I need to set the value, is because it can go below 0, and I just wanted to make it simple. Instead of showing a negative value, we're just gonna show 0, even if, you know, the enemy dealt more damage than what we currently have. But you know, it's fine. So I think, yeah, we did that. So let's go test it out first. What's this? Line 22. Oh, my bad. Let's just clear that and load. So time stopped, but I can still click on it. Let's see here, we have the game area. Where's the camera? The camera's right here. And where's my blocked? Oh, it's inactive. Wait, what? Let me see. No, I can't do it. So it does work. I just need, for some reason, it's not set to true. Well, I guess I'll continue it next time, and I did kind of waste a lot of time at the beginning, but you know, the struggling is part of learning. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.